Hi kitty cats! Today I'm here with
Simple Kit Kat. Hey.
This isn't going well so far. Okay, let's start over again. Hi kitty cats! Today I'm here with Simple Kit Kat and Michael. And we are going to try some Universal Yums box. And it's from the Amazon rainforest. And stop that, weirdo. And oh my goodness. And don't forget to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that bell twice if you want to get notifications. And now, welcome to Brazil. It says the Amazon rainforest, but it's Brazil. I guess that's where it is though, so that makes sense.
Most likely.
Welcome to Brazil!
Pose?
My sister-in-law's Brazilian. So, oh, this is cool. There's like a little pamphlet in here about the stuff, and there's a little thing of trivia. So
it tells us what it is.
It's pretty cool. So, okay, that's gonna be the first one. These are yogurt gummies. I can't read that because I can't, but
oh, my face.
Your face.
No one likes my face.
So these are all so little.
Yogurt gummies.
Yogurt gummies.
I want a pink one, please.
I'm gonna take the pink one. No.
There's multiple pink ones.
I'm gonna take an orange one.
Wait, is there only orange?
Well, since everybody got that, I guess I'm taking a white one.
There's a white one?
Yeah, there's a white one.
No. It does taste like yogurt.
It's yogurtish.
No, it tastes like yogurt.
No, the white one tastes like yogurt.
No, the pink one does.
It tastes like yogurt.
They all taste like yogurt.
Okay.
Taste the white one. The white one like literally just tastes like yogurt, nothing else.
Check thingy here. Yeah.
That's for what you like the best and stuff.
Okay, so we can
do that afterwards.
put it in our.
Alright. So, next thing we got here are these. These are BBQ Corn Pop.
Oh man, why was this second to the yogurt?
Just to be a pain in the butt. That's what I chose. I am not gonna like these probably because I don't really like barbecue flavored things except for actual barbecue like meat. But like barbecue chips and stuff I don't usually like.
Oh, they're so thin. They're like little bowls.
Yes, they look like little bowls.
Let's eat it.
I don't.
The barbecue kicks in much later, and it's not really barbecue.
It tastes like
Styrofoam. It's like styrofoam.
It tastes like, you know how you get the plain like
cereal.
Chex? So like it tastes like Chex.
Yeah.
The texture's like styrofoam though.
Which Chex is also a cereal.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying, the plain Chex.
Yeah.
It tastes like Chex.
I'm unhappy.
Never trust a squirrel. That's why this is good, because it has squirrels.
Okay, where's this one?
Oh no.
Why do you say oh no every single time? Oh yeah, she won't like these. These are pepper crackers.
I'll try it, but I mean...
Well, you got a drink there. And there are other things to try afterwards, so. Oh, they're really small. Yeah.
Oh, they're itty bitty.
Yeah.
I'm letting you guys try first, though.
So you can see them.
Oh, they smell pretty spicy.
They're spicy. I like these.
Yeah.
This is spicy.
I could eat these. No, they're not spicy, but they got that jalapeno taste to them.
Yeah.
But they're not like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. They're not like that, but I like them.
They're fine. I'd eat them all the time.
Okay, and then there's these. Just keep it open. These are, there's two different kinds. There's banana and chocolate. Yeah. And then there's peanut butter. So chocolate covered banana bar, and then the other ones are chewy peanut bar. So you want to split it with Michael, or shall I split with Michael?
You split with Michael for now. So, 'cause I'm probably not gonna like this.
Oh, they're like,
Oh, they're chewy bars.
here, you take the bigger piece.
Oh, wow. Thanks. Let's see. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's a taste.
Yep.
Oh, and that's a texture.
I kind of like the texture. It's the, it tastes like old bananas.
The texture isn't what I was expecting, though. It tastes like a leathery banana.
Yeah.
When the
Like-
texture is like a leathery banana.
It's actually bothering my gums.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna eat this. Who wants the rest?
I don't.
Nobody
Who
wants
to throw
that.
it outside?
Nobody wants that.
There's a fly in your cup.
On it, not in it.
You need to calm down, dude.
I just said do it.
Yeah. So this time it's chewy peanut bar. You can split this time. And
Good the bell.
That's definitely an acquired taste.
It better taste better. It better
oh, there's
taste
even like
better.
stuff about the animals of the Amazon in here and stuff. That's kind of neat.
Ooh, it actually looks good. Good.
This is what it looks like.
You get this one, please.
Sugar.
There's a lot there. You know what it tastes like to me? A Payday Bar. I like this.
No.
I like this a lot.
Actually, it's even better because, for me at least, as I have some sensitive teeth, and sometimes Payday bars, the peanuts get stuck. This is like a Payday without the peanuts covered all over it.
This is really good.
Yeah. That one was good.
10 out of 10.
I'm sad I got the small piece of the good one and like
I'm glad I got the big piece.
the big piece of the bad one. Oh man. Not bad, just inquired. That's an inquired taste. Some people might like that.
Trying to finish this.
It's so chewy. How can you finish it?
Mine is gone.
This is chocolate covered wafer with coconut filling. The Amore 1000.
Wait, can you actually read it? Oh, it actually says Amore. Which means love.
That would be in Italian, but this isn't Italian.
Yeah, but look, there's a heart in it, so it
yeah.
has to mean love. Duh, Mom.
It's
Wow, it's so
shaped like
pretty.
a Toblerone.
Yeah.
So pretty. Look at this.
You know, dessert.
Kinda
is
looks
big
like-
Toblerone.
Reminds me of Kit Kat, the way that it's layered.
Ooh, that reminds me of what are those bars that have like the multiple layers and you take them apart? The
Those yummy cookies, you mean?
yeah, the cookies.
I'm not sure how I feel about
Wafers.
this.
Wafers. Reminds me of wafers.
Yeah, it tastes like wafers actually.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes a lot like coconut extract.
You're very judgmental.
That's what we're doing.
We're judging candy. We're judging yum.
We're not just judging candy.
That's why I
Judging
said yum.
treats.
I like
Okay.
corrected myself.
And this is the big one in here.
Oh,
It's chocolate covered honey bread.
Made by Corey.
Corey's White House.
Oh, no.
That's So Raven's brother.
Oh.
I heard he turned into a rapper.
I heard all of you turned into a rapper.
Hey.
I heard the Eagles. I got some complaints about the texture.
Bit dry.
Yeah.
I mean, this would be
Like,
good.
it's good, but it's dry.
It'd be good with coffee.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a huge coffee person, but
I like milk.
It reminds me of Christmas for some reason. Like the taste of it.
Is that,
Kind of like gingerbread.
I was about to say, it has that ginger taste to it.
Yeah.
yeah.
I
It's
like
okay.
it. I like it. I just wish it was more like a softer
Yeah, it
texture.
feels moist.
Yeah.
So, where's that? Oh, here's this thing. Best yum.
I think we should get a pen.
I have a pen. I have a pen.
It's good, it's just dry.
Yeah.
So, what was your favorite?
I think we should just go by one and say what we think of it.
Yeah, this is favorite, then runner up, and so on. So I was asking each one of us what the favorite was.
I would say the peanut butter stuff.
Yeah.
Me too.
I think the peanut
So,
butter bar was the best out of
We all
of them.
agree that because it was like a payday.
Mhm.
What would be your runner up? What would be your runner up? Like,
Second place?
yeah.
I'm thinking like yogurt. Yogurt stuff.
The yogurt stuff?
But you know me, I'm really into gummy stuff, so. Let me speak of gummy. Gummy.
For me, I think it was the
I like the jalapeno chips.
That
Yeah,
would be my
that's-
third place.
that would be my second place.
Yeah, I
Was the
like
jalapeno.
jalapeno chips.
You're outvoted, Bianca.
Okay.
And third place would be, oh no, not third place. Worst yum.
Ooh, worst yum?
Yeah. The worst yum. That's what they call everything. Yums.
This was the worst yum. The banana bar.
Yeah, we all agree on that.
Yeah, that was bad. It was inquiredly
Yeah.
bad.
Yeah, it's
We
terrible.
still have more to go.
No, that's everything.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
We didn't vote for the other ones. How are you?
It's not done that way. It's done this way.
What's the
You
last
vote,
one?
this is best, this is runner up. Get it?
Yeah,
See?
but we're supposed to vote
No.
for like each one.
Yeah.
No, we're not. We're supposed to do it this way.
Yeah.
Why?
So, arguments. Anyways, the most unusual yum.
For me, the most unusual was still the banana bar.
Yeah,
That was,
the worst and the most unusual.
yeah. The texture was weird. The taste was weird.
Do you agree? She's having a hard time deciding. That was the most unusual?
To me.
No. You're still outvoted again.
No, no.
Poor my daughter.
It was a little dry, but it wasn't unusual enough.
Yeah.
It's unusually dry to me.
The jalapeno just reminded me of like the little Dorito, the little Dorito bites that they have.
Yeah. I'm actually sad that there isn't any more of the Payday.
You should have ordered some from Amazon.
From the Amazon?
Isn't this where it's from?
This is Universal Yums. But, yeah, this
And
one...
it's from Amazon.
The Amazon rainforest is from Brazil. So, yeah, it's not from Amazon.
Ooh, we can't have this in our shot though. We gotta move that over. There we go.
So.
May I see?
So, that's everything.
Hey!
That was our first Universal Yums box. And we'll see what we get next month. What place we get from. This was Brazil Amazon forest. There were some interesting things in there. There was something really gross in there.
Playing games.
And yes, it comes with like games and stuff for us to play, which I'm not gonna do that on here.
Because I'm not fun.
Because apparently I'm no fun. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the Universal Yums subscription and enjoyed seeing these interesting different treats. And we'll see you next time. So always remember to be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. Bye-bye, kitty cats.
Goodbye.